Okay, so what we got here is a Range Rover Evoque 2018. It didn't come with navigation built in, so there's no navigation on this vehicle. And what we've done is we've retrofitted in factory style CarPlay and Android Auto onto the original system. So what you do, you press and hold the home button, and now it will switch over to the new CarPlay system. If you've got an Android phone, you'll get Android Auto. It's fully wireless as well, so no wires are needed. Compatible with your original touchscreen. And now you can use navigation from your phone, such as Google Maps, Waze, or any other favorite maps you use, on the original screen. Once again, this vehicle did not come with navigation built in. As you can see, there is no navigation. So by using the CarPlay system, you can get navigation running. Additionally, we've installed a reversing camera onto it as well. So this vehicle only had parking sensors. So now when you put it into reverse, you get full moving guidelines, which the vehicle didn't come with. And also your parking sensor display is now in the front, showing you can reactivate it again. There you go. Take it out of reverse. So yeah, you got the reversing camera there, and also sound comes through the original system. Sound up a bit. And you can always switch back to your original system by holding the home button. If you want this on your vehicle, if your one didn't come with navigation, or if you do have navigation, you just want the CarPlay system, so you're able to use all your favorite apps on the screen, give us a shout. Just visit the link down below in the video to our website. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.